Yeah. I've been strong.
DJ Glendon.
Trying so hard. But then I walk me up. I've been healing for months now, standing firm on the ground, fighting every weekly, trying not to drown. I told myself I'm stronger, don't need no disguise. But every time you pass me, something breaks inside. My hands start trembling, voice don't come out right. All this strength I've been taught, stayed in one night, girl, please don't make me fall. Girl, please, I've been fighting battles you don't see at all. It's feeling bigger than a cry, bigger than the fear, and every single step I take bring me closer. It ain't no false parade, it's bring me to your side. It's a Monday can open with nothing left to hide. I don't wanna lose myself, trying to be strong, but loving you feel like where I belong. Them things bigger than you and I, bigger than control, and the only way to face it is to give you my soul. Girl, please hold my hand. Yeah. Girl, please don't let go. Truth is I was guarded, locked behind my plane, built these walls so high just to stay sane. But when you look in my eyes, I feel exposed. Every secret I bear start to unfold. I don't wanna run no more, no one to hide, but loving you feel like standing outside in the rain with no shelter, heart in my hand. Please, ooh, start my hand. Still standing, still sober, but standing.